Y'all, so we are here at the Carvana. Can y'all see? Look how huge this place is. I can't breathe. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. I would have cried.
I'm glad I found the key.
I would have cried so hard. I'm about to crash out.
I was like, oh, I think they took the key. I'm like, oh.
Okay. Oh, so I thought that text was a scam text.
No, that's why I text you. Like, I'm like, I can't have her come all the way here and all.
I appreciate it.
Anyway, you must be the money.
I am. Are you okay if I vlog?
Huh?
Are you okay? This is India.
All right, awesome. So first thing we'll do is vend the vehicle because we can't do anything until we do.
Okay.
And you are getting the 2024 Nissan Rogue.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Let me see. This is so crazy.
I'm nervous. Oh, I'm nervous.
Oh my God.
All right, go ahead and drop me in that room. All right.
This would be you in Jesus' name. You'll be buying your first car. I'm probably gonna buy it for you because I wouldn't even let you go in debt like that, but your mama got you good. Big mama. Oh, she dropping my girl out. No, I gotta go in there and sign some papers. Oh, hell yeah, I had to lift the other one up on the rental. Oh, hell yeah, I didn't know I had the button. So are you the one that I could do at the bottom? No. It's all good. It's all good because in the club, we all man. Y'all look at my girl. You know it's your girl.
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today.